Hello and welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today I'm taking a closer look at the Galanz GT12SSDAN18 digital fry and rotisserie combo, a countertop oven that promises air fryer performance, rotisserie cooking, bake, broil, toast, dehydrate, pizza, and convection all in one. If you've been hunting for a multi-purpose cooking appliance that can replace several single appliances, this review will help you decide whether this model delivers. Let's begin with what this unit brings to the table. The GT12SSDAN18 has a 1.1 cubic foot, 30L capacity, and is rated at 800 watts of power. It offers an adjustable temperature range from 150 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 65 degrees to 230 degrees Celsius. It features 8 preset cooking functions: air fry, dehydrate, pizza, toast, convection, broil, bake, and rotisserie. It uses what the manufacturer calls Total Fry 360 technology for the air fry mode, intended to deliver crisp results with little to no oil. Also included are 6 accessories: a crumb tray, baking roasting tray, oven rack, rotisserie stick, air fry rack, and air fry basket. The dimensions are approximately 20 inches wide, 17.17 inches deep, 12 inches high, and the housing is stainless steel with a white LED display and internal light so you can watch your food while it cooks. These specs mean you could fit around 6 slices of toast, a 13-inch pizza, or a whole chicken via the rotisserie mode inside. Now, why do these features matter? If you live in a smaller home or apartment, you may not want to fire up your full-sized oven just for wings, toast, or a small roast. An appliance that handles air frying for crisping with less oil, baking, rotisserie roasting, and so on can save time and energy. The adjustable temperature ensures flexibility for different recipes, and the accessories mean you're not just stuck using the unit as a basic toaster oven. A 30L capacity is large for a countertop model, meaning more versatility. So the promise here is that instead of buying separate appliances, air fryer, rotisserie oven, toaster oven, you can get one countertop unit that does many things. In my real-world testing, I placed the unit on a stable, heat-resistant countertop and ensured there was sufficient clearance around it, as per the manual's recommendation. Initial setup was straightforward: unpack, wipe down accessories, insert the rack and basket, plug in. One minor note: the unit is heavy enough, about 20 pounds per 9 kilograms, so you'll want a strong surface. I tested 3 scenarios. First, air frying frozen French fries. Second, roasting a whole chicken on the rotisserie. Third, baking cookies on the bake setting. In the air fry trial at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes, the fries came out quite crisp on the outside and hot inside, with noticeably less oil than conventional frying. The basket and rack accessory worked well. During the rotisserie mode, I secured a 3.5 pounds chicken on the spit, selected the rotisserie function at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and about 50 minutes. The result was evenly brown skin, juices retained nicely, and the interior cooked through. For the baking test, I used the bake mode at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 minutes. The cookies came out acceptable, though I noticed slight uneven browning near the back. The heat distribution is good, but not perfect. Overall, ease of use is high. The control knobs and LED display are intuitive, switching between functions is quick, and there's good visibility inside via the interior light. On the flip side, I found that the air fry basket needed a little shaking halfway through for optimal crispness, so it's not completely hands-free. And the unit is large in depth, 17 inches, so you'll need to ensure your countertop has space and ventilation clearance. Also, if you're toasting just 1 or 2 slices of bread, the size and power feel like overkill compared to a simple toaster. Talking about strengths, one of the biggest is versatility. 8 cooking modes plus the accessories mean you can cover a lot of cooking tasks with one piece of kit. The build with stainless steel housing looks good and feels substantial rather than flimsy. The temperature range and the 1,800 watts power rating give confidence that you're not compromising on performance compared to a true oven. The inclusion of a rotisserie mode is a standout feature in this category of countertop ovens. On the weaknesses side, while the capacity is generous, the interior cavity height is somewhat limited, so very tall roasts may not fit easily. It also occupies a significant footprint, so for tight kitchens, you'll want to measure carefully. The control system is good, but not smart. No Wi-Fi or app control. which may matter to some purchasers. The size and power also mean it will draw more current than a basic appliance, so ensure your electrical setup is appropriate. Some users might feel that for simple tasks, toasting bread, reheating, a smaller appliance might suffice and be more convenient. In terms of value for money, it depends on how much you will leverage the multi-mode features. If you genuinely use air fry, rotisserie, bake, broil, and dehydrate settings all regularly, then the GT12SSDAN18 offers good value when compared to buying an air fryer plus rotisserie oven plus toaster oven separately. For example, many standalone air fryers or rotisserie ovens cost several $100s each. This unit consolidates those. However, if your cooking needs are mostly simple, toast, pizza, heat up, then you might find a smaller, less expensive unit more appropriate. If you compare competitors in this space, you find countertop ovens with fewer cooking modes or smaller capacity costing less. The decision comes down to how many of the functions you'll use. If the price is significantly above similarly sized models with fewer modes, you'll want to ensure those extra modes, like rotisserie and dehydrate, matter to you. If they do, it likely represents good value. Looking at build quality and longevity, the external housing is brushed stainless steel, and the interior includes a tempered glass door. The accessories are all removable stainless steel or metal. The brand's user manual outlines standard household use with a 1-year limited warranty. There is less publicly available long-term reliability data for this exact model, being relatively recent. But in lab tests noted by one consumer testing organization, the model had very good performance in full batch toasting and good in baking, although toasting time performance was rated only fair. That suggests it will be reliable, but may have incremental compromises typical of this class. As long as you maintain it, clean crumb tray, avoid overloading, respect ventilation clearance, it should serve well for several years. Regarding customer support, while I did not personally engage with the manufacturer's service line, the user manual indicates the standard 1-year limited warranty and provides contact information. The brand has sufficient support infrastructure, though purchasers should keep purchase receipts and register promptly if possible. For a unit of this complexity, many modes and accessories, it's wise to test all accessories on arrival and retain packaging and documentation. For a quick comparison, if you compare this to a simpler countertop air fryer toaster oven that only offers, say, 4 modes, air fry, bake, toast, broil, and smaller capacity, the Galanz unit offers more modes, rotisserie, dehydrate, pizza, and bigger capacity, which is valuable if you use them. On the flip side, if you compare to a premium smart countertop oven with Wi-Fi and app control at a higher price, you may find the Galanz lacks that connected feature but delivers at a lower cost. So depending on whether you want smart features or sheer versatility, the trade-off is clear. In conclusion, the Galanz GT12SSDAN18 digital fry and rotisserie combo brings strong versatility, solid build, and a generous size that makes it more than just a standard toaster oven. If you are someone who will regularly use the air fry basket, the rotisserie spit, bake and broil functions, then you'll appreciate the all-in-one convenience and the ability to replace multiple appliances. If your use is more basic, the footprint, power draw, and size may make it less ideal compared to simpler models. My recommendation: go for this unit if you cook frequently and value flexibility, especially for family meals, roasts, wings, pizza, and multi-mode cooking. If you're after something compact for basic tasks, you might get by with a simpler, less expensive appliance. Thank you for watching Reviewsinsidetv. If you're interested in this product, you'll find the link in the comments box. If you already own this oven or have questions, feel free to leave them below. I'll try to help. Goodbye for now from Reviewsinsidetv. Until next time, stay cooking smart and inside with Reviewsinsidetv.